This video is sponsored by the brand LEVERLOC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this thing installed onto your shower wall so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives, and also show you how to remove it too. So what you want to do is first to get it installed is there's going to be a protective piece on here. You want to take those off so this is completely showing, and then you want to make sure the wall is completely flat. So if you do have tile with grout lines in there, you want to make sure that this can sit flush on your wall so it can stay suctioned on there. But what you want to do is find the spot that is completely flat. You want to press it down for about 5 seconds. I do wiggle around a little bit just to make sure all the air bubbles are gone. And then what you're going to be able to do is flip these levers up, and that's going to lock it into place for you. So get this pushed onto the wall. And there we go. It is now stuck on the wall. And now to get this thing removed is the same thing. Just want to push it down. You can unlock it like this. You're going to be able to pull these off. You can get the sections off so you can move it around, bring it with you travel, and do kind of whatever you want to do with it. But overall, it's an awesome tool if you have trouble getting in and out of the shower. It's like an easy, affordable way. Just make it a whole lot simpler, or put it anywhere around your bathroom that's going to help you out. This thing is perfect for that. So I give it 2 thumbs up.